I'll do a deal with you, man. If you do dog poop, no. I'm sorry. That's what I was gonna say. If you cook spaghetti dinner tonight, I'll do dog poop and cobwebs.
I did dog poop.
You did?
Did you not see the text?
I thought it was just cats you referred to. Okay. Well, so I'll trade you cobwebs details for dinner. Spaghetti dinner is simple.
Why should I have to do dinner? I did dinner yesterday. Well, Randy did most of it.
All right, we'll get the. You didn't get the close tool yet. You been smoking, making cigarettes, dicking around on your phone, maybe.
Yeah,